Hi everybody! March is National Nutrition Month and this year's theme is Fuel for the Future. I'm Chris from the Community Health Education Department at Bronson, and today my team and I are going to show you 3 healthy recipes that can help you fuel for the future. Many health experts believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And today I am going to show you 3 amazing overnight oatmeal recipes that can help you fuel for the future and will be waiting for you when you get up in the morning. These overnight oats are completely delicious and are great for you. They're high in fiber, the kind of fiber that keeps your heart healthy, and they're loaded with protein, calcium, vitamin D, and lots of other nutrients you need for best health. What I really love about this recipe is that it all gets put together the night before. And in the morning, you can eat it as is or heat it up, whatever suits you. This recipe is very simple. I'm using some whole grain oats, some chia seeds, some non-fat Greek yogurt, a little bit of milk, and this could be a plant-based milk or dairy milk. And I'm gonna top our overnight oats with some fresh blueberries, some almonds, and a little bit of lemon zest. Let's put this together. So I've let my overnight oats sit for 24 hours and I put some toppings on them. This one has about a tablespoon of peanut butter, some raisins, and in the morning, or when I'm ready to eat this, I'm just going to slice some fresh banana right on top. And the second one has some strawberries and some pumpkin seeds and a little dash of almonds. And the third one has some fresh blueberries, almonds, and to top that off, I'm just going to grate a little bit of lemon zest right on top of there. Wow, I'm ready to eat any of these. So easy and so good. So there you have it. Don't these look delicious? Keep watching. Next up is peanut butter power bites.
Hi everyone, does anybody here like snacks? I know I do. Well, there are many snacks out on the market, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own snack. Today we are going to be making peanut butter power bites that are going to help your body get ready to fuel for the future. These power bites are perfect. Not only are they packed with protein from the peanut butter, but the peanut butter also makes them rich in heart-healthy fats. We're also going to be using some whole grain oats, which is going to add some good fiber. We're going to be adding some of these beautiful cranberries. That's going to add some rich antioxidants. Then we're going to add some Rice Krispies, a little bit of chocolate chips for a treat, and then we're going to sweeten it up with a dash of honey, a dash of cinnamon, and some cocoa powder. So as you can see, I already rolled most of these. I'm gonna finish rolling them and then I'm gonna pop them in the refrigerator to chill. I don't know about you, but I know that these are gonna help fuel my body for the future.
My name is Tina Wahardo and I am a registered dietitian and health educator with Bronson Community Health. And I'm going to be making a salad. We've got our spinach, strawberries, onions, and almonds. So the spinach in the salad is a great source of plant-based iron. And the strawberries are a good source of vitamin C. Now that vitamin C helps our body absorb the iron from the spinach. And that iron helps our body transport oxygen in our blood so we feel less run down. We've got our dressing made up and we're just going to drizzle a little over the top. This makes an excellent side dish, but if you would like to add a little bit more protein, you could add some beans, some chicken, or some tuna. Just look at this colorful salad. Can't wait to eat it. We hope we gave you some good ideas to fuel your body for the future. Happy National Nutrition Month!